Today we're going to set up and configure the DP220's IP address. Alright, first thing we need to do is we need to head to our website, seneltec.com.au, support tab, downloads, select category POS printer, DP220, and select your operating system. So you want to download the Ethernet utility tool and make sure you save it onto your desktop so you can find it later. I already have the tool here, so we'll go through the setup. Now you should already have the DP220 installed. If not, go back and follow the Windows installation video and get the printer installed so we can then set up the IP address. Follow the on-screen prompts and install. Okay, a couple of things we need to take note of. Again, the IP address range is one. So the easiest way to check that is just go to Start, type CMD. That'll bring up command prompt. Type IP config, and this will give us our network settings. So again, we just need to take note of this default gateway. This will give us the IP address and also tell us what IP range our network is currently on. So here you can see we're on the IP range of 168.2.1, and the range will go from 2.1 to 2.224. So we've got plenty of IP addresses to pick within that range. Okay, so the install is done. So if we go to Start, we can see the configuration tool. Now make sure your printer is connected to your network switch, modem router via Ethernet. So we click search. As you can see, the printer's been found. So we highlight the printer and we go printer configuration. Now again, we know we're on the IP address range of 192.168.2.1 to 192.168.2.254. So look, the easiest way is just change this to 2. So we're on, so our IP address for our printer will be 192.168.2.220. We can also set DHCP in here, and this will allow your modem to set an IP address for the printer automatically. So by all means select that. It will definitely make things a lot easier. But for argument's sake, today we're going to set up a static IP address of 192.168.2.220. So we hit save, OK. Now the tool will do a rescan, and as you can see, the IP address is now changed to 2.220. So last thing we need to do is go to devices and printers. We need to set up a TCP/IP port and allocate that IP address. Okay, right click your printer, printer properties, ports. As you can see, the printer is installed on LPZ1, so we want to go add a port, standard TCP/IP port, new port. We go next, type the IP address 2.220, we go next. So Windows is asking for the driver is asking for some additional port information. Device type standard, generic network card, next, and now finished. So if we close that, we can see that our port has been configured. So now all we need to do is hit apply, go back to the general tab, you can run a test print, and everything's working as expected. Okay, thanks for watching.